Hi everybody. In the previous videos we've shown how to use list controls and bind values to them, either static values and display values or dynamic values and display values. But in this video we want to take them from another table in our database. So let's review what we have. We have our combo box on the screen. That combo box have its own data column bound to it, and we can see here the actual selected value. Now to bind this to a list, we're going to need to use the bind list source event. Now before we do that, have a look for a second on this one. This name that appears over here is the name of the control as we're going to use it from code. Okay, if we want to access this control from code, we're going to need to say combo box 1. We can very easily change this name by going to the actual properties, going to the name properties and changing the name, my combo. And Visual Studio will change all the code that references to it to be correct. So now if you want to access this combo box from code, we can say my combo. Great. So let's go and bind it to a table from the database. We're going to go to Events, to bind list source. And here we start by selecting the tables that we want to use. We're going to say var p equals new models products. And we're going to say my combo, the name that we've just set, dot list source is equal to p. Next we need to say set the value columns and display columns. So we're going to say my combo dot value column is equal to p dot product ID, and my combo dot display column is equal to p dot product name. Let's run this. And now our combo has all the products, and any products that I select will get refreshed over here. Cool. Now let's see what other options are available. First of all, let's review the steps. Let's go to Team Explorer and look at the changes that have happened. We've added this section. We determined the tables that we want to use. We've set the list source, value column, and display column. Great. Binding combo to data from a table. Cool. Next, let's say we only want to see category 1. So to do that, we'll say my combo dot list where add p dot category ID is equal to 1. Of course, we can make it a dynamic value. It will recompute just like anything else. And now we have a shorter list of products. We can also determine the sorting of items. We can select an index by saying my combo dot list order by equal to p dot sort by any index that we want. Or we can treat it just like any other order object. So we can just say add p dot product name, and it will sort according to the product name. Well, so that's it. That's all you need to know about list controls in order to use them in the migrated code. I hope you'll find this useful. Bye-bye.